Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are well by the blessing of Allah. I am also fine. Don't waste your time. Utilize your time properly. Don't forget your half-yearly exam is coming. It is just knocking at the door. Today I will discuss about water, which is from chapter 4, page number 26 to 29. After finishing this session, we will learn about safe water, unsafe water, salty and fresh water, arsenic contaminated water, water pollution. Then we solve this exercise. Do you know what is water? Water is a colorless and odorless substance found all over the earth. Water is made up of billions of molecules. We can find water as ice at the north and south poles also. Also, it can be get as a gas, that means water vapor, in the atmosphere. Water is also present in underground and inside plants and animals. We know it covers, that means water covers over 70% of Earth's surface. Lakes, oceans, seas, and rivers are made of water. Henry Cavendish discovered the composition of water. We use water in various purposes such as cooking, bathing, drinking, cleaning house, washing clothes, watering plants, cleaning dust, and generating electricity. Okay, we know water helps us to digest also. Water maintain the proper temperature of our body. In our daily life, we use water in various purposes. We know water has three stages. Liquid water, this is liquid water, this is ice, that means solid, and this is gas. This is liquid water, that means fresh water, and safe water. We can only use this safe water, but we can get fresh water from river, lake, ponds, etc. But we cannot drink every water because they are fresh but not safe. They are unsafe. But follow this class carefully. I cannot drink this water because I can see some particles inside the water. Can you see? Follow carefully. Can you see any particles inside the water? Sometimes we cannot see this particle without open eyes. But when we observe it with the help of microscope, only we can see some particles. Only we can see some germs with this water. So we always avoid this water for drinking. We always drink water from filter, boiled water or green mark tube water. Now I will do an experiment. At first I put some water in the pot and prepare for boiling. After some times I observe the water is making vapor. That means gaseous state of water. Do you understand, my students? Okay, you complete it in your home with the help of your mother. Now I will discuss about fresh water. Do you know what is fresh water and where we get this fresh water? Okay, now I will discuss it. Fresh water. Fresh water is any naturally occurring water except seawater. That means except sea or ocean, we get water from various sources. This is called fresh water. Humans, plants and all animals need fresh water to survive. Of all the water on earth, just 2.5% is fresh water and other is salt water. Most of fresh water is locked up in ice and underground. Fresh water is not the same as potable water, that means drinkable drinking water. Much of the earth's fresh water is unsuitable for drinking without some treatment. Only 0.3% water we can use. The other 99.7% is in the oceans, soils, ice caps, and floating in the atmosphere. Now follow this picture carefully. So this is rain, lake, pond, and river. We can get fresh water from these sources. Do you know what is the difference between pond and lake? Ponds are generally smaller than lakes. Okay. So lakes are larger and deeper than ponds. Lakes are larger and deeper than ponds. Whereas a river is a thin and long body of water. Now follow this picture. This is water tap. We also get fresh water from this tap, but not safe. This is green mark tube well. We get fresh water from this tube well, and we get also safe water from this green mark tube well. I will discuss it later. This is well. We get fresh water from this well. Okay, now salty water. Salty water. Saline water is water that contains a high concentration of dissolved salts, mainly sodium chloride. The water from the seas and oceans are salty, and total 97.5% water is salt water. But we cannot drink this water. Why do you know? Because it causes dehydration and it doesn't taste very good. Do you know what is this? This is ocean picture, and this is sea. We know ocean is bigger than sea. We get salt water from these sources. Safe water. We use filter in our home. We can get safe water from this filter. We get safe water from this green mark tube well. And we also get safe water from boiled water. Boiled water is also safe water. Okay. Now, unsafe water. When we see red marked tube well, we always avoid this tube well, because red marked tube well means it have some poison, it have some chemical that is harmful for our body. We always avoid these things. This is red marked tube well. This is unsafe water for us. This is river also unsafe water. Those are fresh water but unsafe water for us. So we always avoid this water for drinking and cooking. Now, do you know what is arsenic? Arsenic is a chemical element. Arsenic contaminated water does not have a specific taste, odor, or color. How can we identify this arsenic contaminated water? Government and non-government organization marked arsenic contaminated tube well. So when we see red marked tube well, that means this is arsenic contaminated tube well. We avoid it. And when we see green marked tube well, we use it for our drinking and cooking. Green marked tube well. The water from tube wells marked in green is called arsenic-free tube well. This water can be used for drinking, cooking and bathing. Red marked tube well. The water from tube wells marked in red is called arsenic contaminated tube well. This water cannot be used for drinking or cooking. Arsenic contaminated patient. Most of the arsenic contaminated patients are suffered in skin disease. This is hand, we see some black spot. This is skin disease, foot and nail and skin also. This is arsenic contaminated patient. Now, water pollution. Do you know what is water pollution? Water pollution is the addition of harmful substances to water. That means when some harmful things or chemicals or any waste mixed with water is called water pollution. Water pollution is harmful, that means unsafe for living things. So we always avoid to drink this water. Polluted water cannot be used for drinking, cooking and bathing. Causes of water pollution. What is the cause of water pollution? Do you know what is the causes of water pollution? First, follow this picture. Harmful waste, trash, bathing kettle. Those are the causes of water pollution. So, we can say bathing kettle, trash and harmful waste are causes of water pollution. When some trash come from factory and mixed with water, it causes water pollution. And when some people wash their clothes into the water, it causes also water pollution. So, we can summarize. Human activity is the main cause of water pollution. Throwing trash, oil and harmful waste into water cause water pollution. Water pollution caused by insecticides in agriculture. Insecticides. Do you know what is insecticides? Sometimes our farmers use some chemicals in their fields for getting more crops. This chemical called insecticides. When these insecticides mixed with this water, it causes water pollution. Now, chemicals from factory, bathing kettle and washing clothes in the water also caused water pollution. Effect of water pollution. Water pollution causes death of aquatic animals. Taking bath in polluted water causes skin disease as well as other disease. Polluted water causes disease such as diarrhea, cholera, dysentery and typhoid if people drink it. So, polluted water is unsafe for people. Now, prevent of water pollution. How can we prevent this water pollution? We can prevent water pollution by reducing, that means decrease, that means less use, the use of pesticides and chemical fertilizer in agriculture. We should not throw any trash into ponds, rivers, lakes and seas. Picking up trash at the beach, river or canal helps keeping water clean. Okay, now everybody open your science book, page number 29. First question is fill in the blanks. Water is one of the natural resources. B number, water pollution happens when harmful waste gets into water. C number, rain, rivers, lakes, seas and taps are called sources of water. D number, sea water tastes salty. Now, question number 2. Put a tick mark on the correct answer. 1. What causes water pollution? Answer is putting trash in water. Putting trash in water. Answer A. Answer A. Putting trash in water. Now, question, which color of tube oil provides safe water? Which color of tube oil provides safe water? Answer B. Green. Answer B. Green. Then, which one is safe water for drinking? Answer C. Boiled water. Drinkable water and undrinkable water. Filtered water, drinkable water. Water from green tube oil, also we drink it because this is arsenic free. Boiled water, we know boiled water is safe water, so we drink it. But seawater contains salt, so we avoid it, we cannot drink it. Water from red tube oil, we know when we see red mark tube oil, it arsenic contaminated water, so we avoid it for drinking and cooking. And pond water is fresh water but is not safe water, so we avoid this water for drinking and cooking also. Now everybody open your SW copy. Write this question. For which purposes do we use water? For which purposes do we use water? In this lesson, we discuss this point, so you write this answer by yourself. Write 4 causes of water pollution. How can we prevent water pollution? How can we prevent water pollution? What is the effect of water pollution? Carefully and write this answer. Now, how can we prevent misuse of water? Suppose, turn off the tap while washing our face, brushing our teeth, washing our hands. We also save water. We save this rainwater and we can use this water for our garden, indoor plant. Don't use more dishes than you need. Try to shorten your shower. In this way, we can prevent misuse of water. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.